With barely 4 games to end the Ghana Premier League, I think we the first official confirmation about say player or free club munum aba Accra Hearts of Oak player a friend Salim Adams. Accra Hearts of Oak confirmed say player no free or ordinary Hilal Omdurman. News of Richmond Lamptey and so ewa hase unim se Kotoko next game against Accra Hearts of Oak Richmond Lamptey obetimi aboboni bi ana se ontimi mbobi ho asem ewa ha me say aha Kotoko Express digital platform inti afino wa join and wa subscribe na yakoyanim. This news no na anticipated, especially with regards to Richmond Lamptey no, because for all this week no ye who say Richmond Lamptey are training with Kotoko, but Accra Hearts of Oak na homachi omo confirm say omo player friend no Salim Adams midfielder no wa joining Hilal Omdurman into the house for no. Accra Hearts of Oak is thrilled to officially announce that it has agreed to release Salim Adams to Hilal Omdurman on a permanent transfer deal. The transfer will be signed and sealed subjected to the players' agreement, personal agreeing on the personal terms with the Sudanese club. Watch out for further details on this deal. That is Accra Hearts of Oak officially confirm say player moment for their friend Salim Adams no or call Hilal Omdurman. We wish the player all the best on the next phase of the career. Hilal Omdurman, I think say Sudan ho baby inti ni ensha Kotoko against Accra Hearts of Oak Richmond Lamptey this whole week okoye ye ba me hu ni training grounds. The information I'm picking is a one here obey out of the game, subjected to any final decision change everybody. The nyoma konwa ha ye hu say game no obebubi insisayeba the Kotoko Express digital platform Super 24 TV ye bro.